I'm going to show you how to conceal those lace grid knots. Hide your lace grids. Make your wig look more scalp-like, just like this. Stay tuned. For demonstration purposes, I'm using the synthetic wig. Full review on this wig will be linked in the cards, but we're just going to be focusing on concealing these grids and making this wig look more scalp-like. This is a grid concealer. It's from the Perfect Line Swiss. I have the color MICH. So fresh, when you first get it, it's very hard and you can't twist it. You're going to need to heat up this product. The website says to soak it in boiling water, like about 5 minutes to melt it, but I'm using a blow dryer because I was being lazy, which I've seen some people do, which is just as effective. So I'm just warming up the product and I'm getting it to pretty much like kind of melt. It's going to start to look pretty much like melted chocolate when you warm it up. Now it's going to be able to twist and use. I'm going to go in using this very sparingly because this was actually my first time using it and I didn't want to use too much. So you just pretty much swish it on. This was like I said, the first time I used it, I was trying to be sparing with this product because I didn't want to use too much, but I realized that you pretty much just go in and you're concealing the grids on the lace. So it's okay to pretty much let the product seep through the lace, if that makes sense. You're gonna see that I get more comfortable with the product and I'm actually using it properly here. So because I didn't go in with hot water and pretty much heat up the whole product, I had to use my blow dryer like just to activate it as I was using it, because this product does dry pretty fast and it gets cool really fast. Again, I was going in sparingly using this because I didn't want to use too much, but just remember the purpose of this product is to conceal those grids, those holes in your lace. So that's pretty much what you're filling. You want it to look like this pretty much at the end of using it versus at the back where you see more of the holes. I left it to show you like you're going to be filling that in. You're trying to conceal all of the lace grids on this lace to make it look more scalp-like. So I flipped the wig over to show you guys that the product is going to transfer over to the top of the lace, and this is what you want here. We're going to clean it all up at the end, so don't worry about that. But if you notice in the back how you're seeing still those grids, that's not what you want. So you want to add more product to fill in those holes, conceal those knots, and get this to look like scalp. So I'm going in because I'm using my blow dryer and I'm just pretty much activating it some more, just warming it up so we can use it. So now as you see, I'm able to like twist it out. So now I'm going in with the back and I'm filling it in. I would recommend just to smooth as you go, because like I said, this is going to dry very quickly and I'm just smoothing it out. You want to get it to look nice and smooth as you're filling in those holes, and I'm using it really easy because I didn't want to use too much. As you see, those holes are filling in. This is what you want the end result to look like. So as it's cooling down, I'm just using the back of my tool as you see, and I'm just keep smoothing it out. Again, the goal here is to conceal the grids and conceal the knots. I left the front part so you can see how those harsh black knots are. That's what you're concealing. Also, you're concealing those knots on those wigs, and this is also going to help too, so you don't have to bleach your knots and you're not going to see those harsh black dots. So you conceal your knots on this as well. So again, I'm just warming it up and I'm getting it to look like pretty much melted chocolate, and that's what you want it to look like. And I'm just using that little bit of product in the front. I got used to it at this point, and I'm just pretty much smoothing it out and applying it pretty much where I'm just going to see that part. I didn't feel the need to go in and use it all over the wig because I'm not going to be showing that. But yeah, now I'm using my blow dryer, you know, because like I said, it gets cool pretty fast, but I'm just using it to smooth it out some. And this is like the end result, using the back of the comb to smooth it out some more. And then we're going to flip it over and mold it some more. So it's going to look messy, and at first I was a little worried, but don't worry, it's all going to come together. So again, I'm just using my comb some more just to flatten out the product some more. It's like wax. If you notice, like there's still some product on the side of the hair, but that all comes off. I'm going to show you guys what to use with the oil and everything, but you're just trying to get it nice and smooth here, and you're making it look more like scalp. It's like you're molding it into the lace, and this is what you want it to look like. If that product dries too much, you can still go in with the heat, and that does help with molding it. But as you guys see, this dries really quickly, and I love the fact that it doesn't transfer. It's really good. So next, the website suggests that you go in with some oil to clean it up, so that's all I'm using here. any kind of oil, and I'm just going to clean up the side of the wig. I think I put a little bit too much of oil on my wig, but it just helps kind of remove some of that excess product on the hair of the wig, and it just helps like clean it up. So pretty much lesson learned here: be easy with the amount of product you go in with, be easy with the amount of oil you go in with. And I'm just molding it, and this is the final result here. Just trust the process. I still was a little uneasy, but it was looking pretty good. But after I installed this wig, it looked even better, guys. Like, it looked like scalp. Look at that. Like, it looked like it was scalp. I'll have everything linked in my description box under Wig Essentials. Let me know if you guys tried this product, or if you will be trying this product, and what you think about it. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.